Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 261. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this top row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. And I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 5, 8. That 3 covering these two boxes means our 3 for that column has to be here. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 3. Wait, sorry, wrong column. 1, 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we go back to this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. The 5 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. No, oh, 9 here. So 3, 8, 3, 8. And that means the only place the 9 can be in that box is here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9, 9 here, so 2, 5, 5 here, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here, so this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 9, and that means our 6 for that box has to be here. Nope, that can't be right. 6 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 9, 9 here, so 5, 9. So now if we look, the only place in this row the 3 can be is here. Let's do some digging here. Oh, we've got a 1 here. That makes this our 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. If we look at this column, the only place the 5 can be is here. Nope, that's not right because it could be here. Okay, this 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 9, 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 9 and 5. That was a messy one. Sorry about that, guys. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.